Okay.
Oh! Hi!
Hi. This is Cooking with Kitty and
Hello Kitty!
and really Hello Kitty. We are doing a cooking video. Remember when I did a video like 3 years ago and nobody watched it? We're doing it again!
But this time, it's Hello Kitty themed.
It's Hello Kitty slash
Kitty
themed.
themed.
Le scissors have arrived.
Thanks
Also,
for tuning in.
I totally did not just buy this for the
Tin.
like, tin. Like,
It's beautiful! Anyone would want it.
I
You
think.
can.
Yeah, if you want to.
There's
That's the baking
edible
stuff.
paper with Hello Kitty on it.
Yes.
For decoration.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so cool.
And an adorable cookie cutter.
Oh, it's
pink.
so cute! Oh my god.
What are you gonna put into the box?
Probably doll stuff, as I know myself. Comment down below, like, what would you put in there? Probably doll stuff, right? That's like perfect size for like some accessories or something.
Or you put cookies inside. And it's cookieception.
We're supposed to put the whole thing inside
And then
of a
all
bowl.
of the things.
Ta-da!
We have a bowl and a spatula.
A spatula.
Spatula.
Oh, oh, oh. Reliving my emo phase with you.
Has it ever really ended?
Butter and egg.
Egg. Sorry. Where do you put the eggshells?
In this form.
In the bowl.
In the bowl that I
In the
prepared.
bowl.
Yes.
And here is softened butter as the ingredients wanted. And they're you can tell they're soft because I stuck my finger in it and there's a whole lot.
It's soft. Oh, so soft.
creamy.
I should add some sexy music over that.
Why?
Like,
So soft. Oh my god. And then like filters. So soft.
the cookies have been assembled. And now they will be baked. Baking cookies. Is that it? That's probably euphemism, right? And the cookies have been baked for 9 minutes and they look amazing.
They smell
And
good.
yeah, they smell amazing. And we're gonna make the icing now. But yeah, these are cool now. We're gonna make it instead of water. We're gonna use
Lemon juice.
lemon juice and also food coloring, because why not?
then the rest can be lemon water. If you want to, if you still drink lemon water.
I love lemon water. I actually really enjoy it.
Well then, the rest is for Jay's lemon water.
I like it in like tea, like green tea.
Yeah.
Green tea? Oh my
There's
god.
still some.
Oh yeah, there is. That's actually a really nice pink. I don't know
Yes.
if you can see it very well, but so we finished them and they look amazing and they also taste amazing. We both had a cookie already and yeah, that was fun.
Yes.
Thanks for making cookies for me.
You're very
They're
welcome.
embarrassingly cute.
They match your outfit as well.
Oh, oh my.
Want to do a photo outfit of the day? Cookies.
No, but thanks. Can I ask cookie? She can ask cookie. They're a bit big for you. I
It's like a
they're-
cake.
Yeah.
For BJD.
But like, I don't think she can eat the whole thing. Watch her.
Don't.
Anyways, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you all next time. Bye bye.
Bye.